Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix the mobile data issue on your Realme Note 50. So first of all, if you actually get this option, try to actually exchange the SIM card to another device and check if the SIM card actually works properly in the second device. But if you actually cannot do this, go into the settings, then scroll all the way down, move into the into the system, then you have to go into the reset options and pick this option to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and the Bluetooth. And this one will actually erase, it will actually reset all network settings. And you should actually check if it works. If it doesn't work, you can also try to make the ultimate way to erase all data, basically perform the factory reset on your smartphone. So it will remove everything from your phone. So just be sure that you remove your SIM card, memory card, and backup your data before performing the factory reset. And that's all for this video. Tell me if it works right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.